Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have another guitar. You've probably seen the title already. This is a pretty underrated brand. This brand right here is called Loha. Now it says right here Loha. Now Loha is a sort of like how Epiphone is to Gibson and how Squire is to Fender. Loha is to this is the same to L.Luthier. And if you don't know who L.Luthier is, it's like a Malaysian based acoustic guitar maker. So they don't make it here, but it's designed in Malaysia, and like it's a sort of Malaysian based product, which is very good. I went to go try it last week and I was amazed by the sound that they have. So this is like a cheaper version. I didn't want to pay like thousands for an acoustic guitar yet. So let's check out this brand, Loha. So I tried it last week and it was fantastic. So I just fell in love with it and I'm like, okay, you know what? I got a lot of electric guitars. Let's get an acoustic guitar this time. So here we go. Give me a second. Ta-da. Okay, oh, here we go. It came really quick. Like I ordered it online after I tried it and it came in like 2 days. So that's really quick. Here we go. Whoa, the smell. Nothing beats a fresh smell of a new mahogany guitar. Oh, there you have it, guys. Here you have it. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but okay, hold on. Let's get this out of the way. Alright. Paper. Oh wow. Wow, here you have it, guys. Can you see it? Beautiful. Very standard guitar. It's very light. Solid spruce top, mahogany back and sides, rosewood fingerboard. Now what's special about it is that it has a, oh my goodness, it has some wood. It has it has a sound hole that comes up from the top too, and that is fantastic if you want to hear your own playing clearer. And it has very nice black standard tuners, besides your standard Grover stainless steel. Let's see if it's in tune. Absolutely not. Let's tune it up. Bye.